Staying true with the theme of collaboration, I want to talk about mastering strategic leadership, how we can use the PESTLE trend analysis and mind mapping technique in order to get to better strategic decisions. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how we can do the PESTLE mind mapping trend analysis with our teams. Now, if you've never ever heard about PESTLE, I want to first explain to you what the 5 letters stand for. So PESTLE stands for political, economical, social, technological, legal and environmental trends. We can use that with our team in order to make sure that we have a holistic, strategic view at what is coming up in the next 20 or 10, 20 or 30 years for our business. Now in our example today, where I'm going to show you or run through with you how we can use the tool, I'm going to pretend that I am running an e-commerce business and I'm trying to figure out what's up for my organization in the next 30 odd years, or like a little bit there. Let's look at 2050. We've played through this with a team of 5 and we've come up with different post-it notes in order to cover all of the different dimensions. I'm going to share with you 2 trends each in order to explain how this works. I've gathered my team, then explained how the trend and mind mapping technique can be used for strategic thinking. I've explained the scenario that we're fast forwarding to 2050 and we want to know what trends await our e-commerce business. We've then looked at our post-it notes and we've all just come up with a couple of ideas and trends on the post-it notes in the quiet, and then we gathered together in front of the whiteboard in order to bring those trends to the front. A couple of the trends are already up there and I'm going to run through the next ones. So for political here, we can see an increased impact of trade agreements on our global supply chains, and that's joining our stricter data privacy laws up here. We've then looked at what are the economical things or trends that we foresee impacting our e-commerce business in the next 30 odd years. And besides high fluctuation in the post-pandemic recovery in our markets, we also see that there will be a widespread digital currency approach. So we will see that more and more people will widely use digital currencies. A social trend that's been brought to our attention through this collaborative approach has been that we have more sustainability conscious consumers, and we also see that our population is aging, impacting our buyer personas. From a technological point of view, we can see a couple of trends as well. This is probably what would have popped up if we hadn't used PESTLE. It is on the forefront of everybody at the moment, AI-powered personalization. And also we've come up with the AR, so the augmented reality or virtual reality shopping experience for our customers. When we think about legal, which probably would have not been on the forefront of my team's mind when we did this trend analysis, when we think about legal, we actually have to really look for any of the compliance issues that could impact our business. So we see that better transparency on product description will be required and will also be widespread in the market in the future, as well as stricter enforcements of IP regulations, and that is coming from the global markets. Now, last but not least, we've got environmental, and environmental trends can sometimes be fallen off the side when we don't use PESTLE to organize our mind map. So I'm pretty happy that my team has been thinking about circular economy models being more widespreadly applied to e-commerce in 2050, as well as carbon neutral delivery and logistics as being the standard for our industry in the future. I think you can agree that using PESTLE as a trend analysis mind map is a really great way of looking at our strategy and our decisions and the different scenarios in a more holistic view than a traditional open brainstorming. And I've really enjoyed doing this with my team, and I hope you enjoy that as well. If you do, please leave some comments in the bottom of this video. Other than that, like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this with your friends if it can be helpful for them too. Have a great day. Bye. See you in the next video. Ta-da!